Whose balls did I have to fondle to get my very own movie? I can't tell you, but it does rhyme with Wolverine. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Untitled Chapter coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing you this Deadpool recreation with a little bit of a twist to it because Deadpool doesn't have hair or lipstick. Before we move forward, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Duh. It's so simple. Just hit it. It's on one of these corners. Just hit it. It doesn't even cost you anything. It'll help you save world hunger. It probably won't, but you can hit it anyway. If you want to see how to get this look, just stay tuned. First thing we're going to work on is putting down some dots for the eyes so that I can connect them later. And then we're gonna move on to connecting them now. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in charcoal or black. I don't know, but it's just easy to work with. Then I'm moving forward into outlining the rest of my body. Basically, I'm following a sketch of Deadpool, so you can sketch out what you're gonna do on your body using a NYX Jumbo Pencil. I switched to the white one because it's easier to erase. I also marked the areas that I'm going to paint black so that when I go in with red, I don't paint it, you know, because I'm forgetful. Now it's time to add the red, and I'm going in with a water-based face paint. I find these extremely easy to work with, way better than cream face paint. After filling in all the red areas, I'm going to go in with the black area. And to make this extremely black, I did wait till it dried a little bit and then Then when I went back in with the paint, I made sure to add a little bit of water into the paint so that it was a little bit more thicker and it wouldn't move around as much. And I'm also going to fill in the rest of my body with black, and that's including the line detail. Almost forgot to add the little black line that goes under his eye area and over his head too. Now it's time for the most important part, which is the details, details, details. I'm going in with a white face paint and I'm just tracing out around the outside of the mask area just to create a 3D effect, and then I'm going over the eyebrow area. I have to kind of highlight the brow bone. So I am creating almost an upside down T in that area, and then I'm creating some shading in the inner corners. Any corner that you find, just try to shade it, at least for the brow bone area. And to mimic a sharp appearance, I am going over it with a brighter, more concentrated white paint, and I'm just going over that corner, that little where all the lines meet and everything like that. Then we're going to add on some under eye highlights, because why not? And then I'm going to also do the T thing again, basically copying the same thing I did for above the brow. And now it's time to add some depth, some contour to this look. So I'm kind of pushing my chest inward in order to see the dips in my chest. And then I'm filling all those dips and all those crevices with a black eyeshadow. Then moving on to highlighting, I'm going to do the same thing I did for the contouring part, and I'm just pushing my chest inward and making whatever part stands out, I'm going to cover it with some white eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use this stocking. I just cut it open just so that I could add some texture to the mask. Now I'm going back into outlining with white, a really, really bright white. So the straps, the shoulder area, those are the places that I kind of want to pop a little bit, and that's why I'm adding the outline. Of course, make sure to add the buckle. I just used a regular white for this, mixed with a little bit of black. Now for some last minute contouring on the face, like my hairline area, just to blend out my hair. And now I am finished. I added some black lipstick because I wanted to add some female flair to the look. And it's a badass color too, so it's not too bad, it's not too shabby. Anyway, if you liked what you saw and you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up while you're at it. You know, if you're already enjoying yourself, hit the thumbs up, it's not that hard. Also, hit that subscribe button before on your way out. It's gonna be on either corner. You can just hit it and subscribe to my channel to see more looks like this. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.